All right, everyone, so here's a quick video on what you need to do to get into Lumen Ohm. So under your search, type in Lumen Ohm, and then what you're going to need to do is, if you have an account already, you can just enroll in the course. Otherwise, you want to do your new student sign up. So your username can be whatever you want, and your password, just make sure that you write them down because I can't easily look those up. And then when you've done all of that information, click I have read and agreed to the terms of use. This is a free resource for you, so there's really nothing that you have to worry about as far as the terms of use. The course ID is, write it down, 511. You have this on a piece of paper. I gave it to you already, but it's 51105. And your enrollment key, oh, you can see it right there, is Math 0970, Spring 2021. And then when you hit Submit, it should pop you into our course. So when you're in our course, it should look like this. And you'll notice that you're going to have two assignments. One is a very quick tutorial, and we will look at that in class. And then another one is on the section that we'll do on the first day of class, homework 1.1. I will always have these due, with very few exceptions, Monday at midnight. So the things that we do Monday, Tuesday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you'll be able to still ask questions on Monday, and then those will be due. They should not take you long, and they're just to reinforce some of the learning that we've done in the classroom. But you can always ask me questions about Lumen Ohm at the beginning of class. All right? So that should get you into the first few sections that are due, and as always, you can ask me questions if you have any in class, or through the Remind app, or we can Zoom together. If you're at home and I'm at home, we can catch some of those questions at home. All right, please give it a try and ask me any questions.